Hey, what's up guys? I'm here today
guys.
With Hair by Ruslan.
Hi, Ruslan here. I'm so excited to be here. So excited to work with you. We haven't done this bombshell look on you yet.
It's gonna be like the Victoria's Secret bombshell hair.
Yeah. Let's get started. Let's get you
let's
into
do it. I'm excited. Transform myself into a VS model right here, right now.
You're gonna be VS model in like an hour.
In like an hour. Just give me a second. I'll be in my room.
We're gonna use some hair extensions. And this is the Luxy Hair, one of my favorite hair extension brand, and look how it blends with your color. It's seamless chestnut brown balayage hair extension. And this length is 20 inch, but we're gonna cut it. We're not gonna keep it like super long. So I'm actually gonna customize this hair into her length so we can like achieve the best results.
And it's good too because you can use them again.
Yeah, you can use them again.
Yeah.
Can you use them again? Can you do it on yourself?
I'll try to do it on myself. I'm going to be like this.
You did good the other day on your job to
the Charlie's Angels.
Yeah, I really like that hair.
I was taking all your tips.
How long did it take you?
It took me like an hour.
An hour?
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah. And it was like a half up situation. It was good.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm proud of you.
Yes.
I usually start with the front. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 pieces on each side, and then I'm gonna move to the back. Section the hair like this, like 1 inch, and I usually like to stay away from the hairline so you won't see the hair extension. So I'm gonna clip it like an inch, inch and a half away from the hairline. Just take a small section here. Use the hairspray. I'm using Elnut Stronghold hairspray from L'Oreal. Spray a little. And then tease it. Is that how you do it? Do you tease it too? Or you
I know you're supposed to. I usually just like try to like snap it in there, but they always slip if you don't tease it.
Yeah. Okay, next section, I'm going like an inch up. And gonna do the same thing. So on the side, I usually use 2 clip-ins, so they look like this. Only 2 clips, 1, 2. Super easy guys, just take a small section, put some hairspray in it, and tease it into the root area and clip it. Does it feel secure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like Luxy hair because they sit really flat to the head, so it doesn't look bulky.
Yeah.
You know how sometimes you can see hair extensions?
And it makes your head too big.
Yeah. This one's really flat.
Beautiful new hair, so fresh and fine.
It feels nice, right?
Just screw it overnight.
Yeah. So again guys, I just moved to the other side. All I use is 2 clip-ins, so it looks like this. Here, just 2 clips. Okay, you cannot stop touching it.
I love it. I
look at your haircut. She's like,
I'm like, why isn't this
reminiscing here?
Mine doesn't look like this.
Using another one, so it's 3 each side. Okay guys, I'm gonna move to the back. I have 2 clip-ins here and 2 pieces with 3 clips in. The back is easier, so you never really like have to hide stuff, because in the front it's hard, like you have to place it accordingly because you're gonna see it, you know? You have to like stay away from the hairline. And I feel like for girls to put some hair in the back is easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just kind of step away, like do maybe 2-3 inches out of the hairline. And basically the same process. Do you think you have your mom's hair or your dad's hair?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm guessing my dad because he's the Asian one.
Oh, she's got long hair.
Oh my god, yes! Oh my god. This is a dream. She's back.
She's back.
14-year-old me is screaming. Wow. Damn, I'm getting hair extensions tomorrow. Next week. Look at me. What do you mean? Oh. And we're done. So that's our hair tutorial. Thank you so much for coming.
Bye guys. Okay, I'm just gonna trim it really fast with the razor. That's what I usually do.
I love that you can cut as well, because not a lot of people can do that.
Yeah, I used to work at the salon and stuff and do all this.
What do you guys think of the cut? Oh, it looks so good.
My next step would be adding Velcro rollers for volume. I'm just gonna do 4 rollers in the mohawk section here.
Whenever I do the curler on the top of my head, it doesn't sit right. It's like flat.
This is the base where you have to like do it so your hair can hold the volume all day too. and it's movable. What I'm gonna use for this is 1 1/4 inch curling iron. This one is from Josh Pro Tools. I'm gonna take a big section here. I'm kind of like spacing this out so I know I'm gonna fit 4 rollers in. And I heat it up first with the iron, just twisting it and making sure it's really hot. And then you go in with a roller while it's hot, put it in, and put it in. So this is our first one.
Because then when it cools, it like
it holds the
shape.
exactly. Yeah.
It honestly is so important, this part.
It makes such a difference.
Such a difference.
Okay, this is our roller number 4, and we're gonna keep it until we reach that point that we need to curl that before, so it's like cooled off and stays in that shape.
Oh, Miso!
Miso is here.
Say hi, Miso. Say hi to the vlog. Miso's famous.
Oh, so pretty. This is the Oribe Beach Spray. I'm just gonna spray throughout your hair. That way it's gonna give me that hold and that beachy texture. So not too much, guys, because it can get crunchy if you overspray. How long does it take you to usually get ready if you do your hair and makeup? How long does it take for you to do the makeup?
It takes me, well, I only really know one look. So it doesn't really take me that long because it's not that crazy of a look. But if I'm like really trying, like I got ready for the Charlie's Angels premiere, I did my hair and makeup myself, and that took me like 2 hours. 2 hours? Yeah, it took me 2 hours.
We're gonna continue using Josh Pro Tools 1 1/4 inch iron. I never like twist the iron and slide it through. I always wrap the hair around the one. So what I usually do, I hold my iron horizontally like this, and I usually wrap the hair around the one and make sure it's hot, and then I stretch the ends afterwards so the ends don't get super curly.
You're so famous for these waves. I remember when I first saw them, I was like, these are so sick.
Thanks. And then make sure you change the directions. If I did the bottom row, like, you know, curling it one direction, I'll make sure the next row I'm gonna do a different direction. But is there any chance you think you can recreate this on your own?
I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a follow-up video where I do it, and we'll see how well.
And we're gonna put 2 pictures together. We're gonna take a picture from today.
It'll be like Instagram versus reality. But maybe this tutorial is so good that I'll be able to do it so good because we explained it so well.
Yes.
Do you think if you had to buy one curler size, what size would you say is the most important?
1 1/4 inch.
1 1/4. Pause for intermission.
Okay, once you go to the back, guys, make sure one side going one way and the other side going the other way. So just divide it into 2 and wrap the hair around the one this way for this side. And this side is gonna go here like this. Who's your favorite character in Friends?
Ooh, this question's so hard. I
know. Everyone's so good.
But
you like Ross?
I kind of think Ross. I kind of think it's
I like Ross.
I love Ross.
Okay, I just finished the back.
Oh, so good.
So I'm taking the rollers out now.
Transforming into my true self.
And this is why you do it, guys. Look at this. And basically you're gonna do the same thing, just wrap the hair around the one and making sure the ends are straight. Because once you take the hair out of the rollers, you can see, guys, how the ends are like being curly, and that's what we don't want. We want to straighten it out. When you do the front, guys, make sure you always wave it away from the face.
Yeah, whenever I hold mine, I feel like I hold it like at a down angle, and it doesn't do the same thing.
Yeah,
so that's
you hold it like this.
Yes, exactly.
Or like whatever, this or this.
Yeah.
No, it has to be horizontal like this. Okay, we kind of finished. Let's zhuzh you up. So what we're gonna do next is to put Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray.
I love this stuff.
Yeah.
It's the best.
Shake it a little.
There's so many texturizing sprays, but honestly, that is the best one.
Yeah,
It's the
for
best.
sure. And what I like to do is just kind of shake it. I don't like when it's like too crunchy, and I like when it's always like movable like this.
Damn, hair goals.
And that's the difference, guys. When you put the rollers, you get that volume, you get that movement. It's really important to do that step.
And you can like easily switch from the middle to the side.
Yeah, and you can keep the middle.
And you don't have to be like permanent, like you can't move it back. It's so nice. It's actually a lot easier than it looked. Like when I looked at your page, I was like, this must take hours.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's really not that bad.
Yeah.
I feel like when I recreate this, I'm gonna be able to do a half decent job. I'm actually excited for the challenge.
I'm so excited to see it.
I know, I can't wait.
I'm excited to see it, yeah.
I will prove to you guys that this can be done. Oh my God, it looks so good. I'm like, what? Look at this hair. This is the best hair I've ever had, I swear.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I love this. This is like my dream texture. I want it like naturally.
I had a feeling that it's gonna look so good once I start doing your hair.
I also like in the extensions because they're a little lighter than my own hair. You can see like the more blonder parts, but it gives
like
such a good dimension too. Like it looks so awesome.
It's called Seamless Chestnut Brown Balayage.
I am obsessed with these hair extensions. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this hair tutorial.
Thank you so much. Let us know if you have any questions. We would be happily answering them in the comments below. I also have a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link below too. I do a lot of tutorials too and doing vlogs and all of that kind of stuff. So make sure you subscribe that too. And cannot wait for you guys to see what you're gonna recreate.
Yes.
Tag us.
Tag us, show us if you like it, give us a thumbs up, give us a follow, and we'll tag everything, all the products, everything we use below in the description. So if you want it, you can easily get it. Thank you.
So pretty, guys.
I love it. Woo!